one thing that you talked about is quotes. Quotes are a great thing to post because they can really kind of build image for what your brand is all about, and people connect with them, and they're really easy to find. I mean, you could go to Pinterest,
Mhm.
type in quotes, give yourself 10 minutes, and bam, you have enough quotes to last the entire month. Maybe you're going to post one once a week or whatever the case may be. It's very easy to find that content and repurpose it. um, but yeah, I definitely recommend quotes. And the great thing about it is once you have them all in a folder, let's say that you have 90 quotes in there. Well, you don't have to go search for quotes each and every week at this point in time. You have
Mhm.
enough
Mhm.
content in there that you can just keep recycling it. Okay, I posted this one 90 days ago. It's time to come back in the queue. And if someone were to take that's listening right now, go to one of your favorite brands or whatever the case may be, coaching platforms, whatever, that you enjoy their marketing, go back and scroll the long ways back through their content, because you'll see that a lot of the content that they're making, they might repurpose it, shift the image a little bit or adjust
Mhm.
the
Mhm.
text a little bit. But people are repurposing their content, and it's okay to do that because no one's going to remember a post that you made,
Right. Right.
a long time ago.